Have you ever experienced your car or motorcycle rim suddenly getting bent and the tire deflates instantly? This usually happens when the wheel hits something hard on the road, like a big rock, a deep pothole, or a tall speed bump. In this video, we'll break down what happens when a rim gets damaged, how it's repaired step by step, and why balancing is so important at the end. Let's start from the beginning. The incident usually starts with a strong impact. When the wheel hits a hard object at speed, the edge of the rim bends inward and sometimes even cracks. This damage causes the tire to lose its airtight seal, which leads to an air leak, and the tire goes flat immediately. You can't ignore this kind of damage. It affects your safety, ride quality, and tire lifespan. Next comes the initial inspection. The mechanic checks how severe the bend or crack is. Sometimes a simple press might fix it. But if the rim is badly warped or cracked, a press alone won't do the job. This is where cutting becomes necessary. The bent section is carefully cut using a grinder or a precision cutter. The goal is to remove the deformed part so it can be realigned and reshaped properly. This has to be done very carefully. Accuracy is key. After that, we move on to welding. Depending on the material, usually aluminum or alloy, TIG or argon welding is used to rejoin the metal. Welding must be strong and clean, so the rim stays safe and balanced after repair. Once welding is done, it's time to grind and finish the surface. Any excess metal is shaved off, and the surface is smoothed out. Sometimes a bit of paint or coating is added to make it look like new again. But here's the thing, looking good isn't enough. Now we need to balance the wheel. Balancing is done with a special machine that spins the rim to check for wobbles. Tiny weights are added in the right spots to make sure it rotates perfectly smooth. This step is critical. An unbalanced wheel can cause vibrations, uneven tire wear, and stress on your suspension. After balancing, the rim is ready to be reunited with the tire. Air pressure is checked carefully, and everything is mounted back onto the vehicle. Then comes the road test. If there are no vibrations, no strange noises, and the tire holds air properly, the repair is a success. The rim is back in shape, balanced, sealed, and safe to use again. So, what's the takeaway? If your rim gets bent, don't ignore it. And definitely don't keep driving on it. Find a trusted workshop that can inspect and repair it properly, because a small problem like this, if left untreated, can turn into a big one. And always remember, watch the road, avoid hard hits, and check your tire pressure regularly. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.